I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Azure subscription and a user account with owner or contributor access. Once signed in at Portal, Azure.com, make sure you pick the correct Azure Active Directory and your target subscription in the top right. Next, set up multi-factor authentication and register a device for security. After that, pin the services you'll use to the dashboard so you can jump straight to them. This gets you ready to create resources without interruption. You now build the core. Click Create a Resource and search for the service you need, for example, virtual machine or app service. When configuring, choose the correct region and machine size, create or select a resource group, and add tags for cost tracking. Make intentional networking choices, VNet, Subnet, NSG rules, and attach managed identities if the service will access other resources. Once you review pricing and identity options, click Create and monitor the deployment notifications until all steps report success. You finish by validating the resource, test connectivity, confirm role-based access control, and check metrics and alerts in the monitoring blade. Once done, deploy code or connect clients and use the deployment center and activity log to confirm operations. If something fails, investigate quota limits, subscription policies, and network security group or firewall rules. For intermittent issues, restart the service and check the Diagnose plus Solve Problems tool. Make sure to document any changes so you can roll back if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.